Barcelona have won the Super Copa de España and what a match it was. अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 3:30 और आई हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टुमारो बट आई थॉट कि मुझे अभी रिकॉर्ड कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि अभी मैच के जो फैक्ट्स हैं वो अभी बहुत फ्रेश होंगे मेरे दिमाग में सो मैं अच्छे से बात कर पाऊँगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्वियसली राफिनिया, व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस एज यूजुअल, मैन ऑफ द मैच, saving Barcelona like he always does. Two goals, two important goals, and first one was crazy, and the second one, like what a finish! He was off balance, but he still managed to score somehow. Yeah, what a performance! Also, Vinicius Junior, what a goal by the way. हमें मैच से पहले लग रहा था कि विनीशियस जूनियर ठीक है, ही इज़ नॉट दैट ऑफ अ थ्रेट एनी मोर, बट स्टिल व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस. एंड बहुत ही अच्छा गोल मारा विनीशियस ने भी, दैट नटमेग ऑन कुंडे एंड देन दैट फिनिश, या गुड गोल. एंड देन लेवेंडोस्की, व्हाट अ फिनिश. ऐसे मोमेंट्स पे हमें रियलाइज़ होता है कि द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ प्लेयर. अगर उस टाइम लेवेंडोस्की की जगह पे फेरान टोरेस होता तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वुड हैव बीन अ गोल टू बी ऑनेस्ट. But yeah, that chip was very like extraordinary. Yeah, so very good goal. We also have to talk about Kylian Mbappe. Uh, when he came on, I was really worried because वो capable है. He is capable of performing at such a high level against such teams. But fortunately for us, he didn't do anything in the match. Also, that chance for Carreras, वो बहुत ही आसान तो नहीं पर बहुत ही अच्छा चांस था मैड्रिड के लिए टू इक्वलाइज इन द लास्ट डाइंग मिनट्स ऑफ द गेम. बट ही चोक एंड ही जस्ट शॉट स्ट्रेट एट जॉन गार्सिया. जॉन गार्सिया की भी बात करनी होगी. ही वॉज अमेजिंग लाइक ही ऑलवेज इज. So these very few players that we have, Juan Garcia, Rafinha, Pedri, these three, and Yamal. These four players are very special for us, and they always perform whenever needed. Also, one of the very underrated players in our team is Frankie De Jong, who also got a red in this match. Was it a red? I think it was because that was a studs up tackle. Also, बहुत सारे fouls ऐसे थे गेम में जो दिए नहीं गए रेफरी के द्वारा. But yeah, there are such always such moments in El Clasico. Rodrigo also had a good game, quite good game in the second half. फर्स्ट हाफ में पूरा मैच बारसा के कंट्रोल में था. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड इन द सेकंड हाफ. व्हेन सेकंड हाफ स्टार्टेड, मैड्रिड हैड अ बेटर कंट्रोल, इट लुक लाइक. ऑल्सो विनीशियस भी काफ़ी गेम से गोललेस था. ही वॉज ऑन अ गोल ड्राउट बट of course he had to break it against us in a cup final. But anyways, it was a good goal. You can't even be mad at that. I wasn't even mad when Vinicius scored that goal because it was a great goal, pure individual brilliance. Also, Rafinha got a chance, a brilliant pass from Yamal, but he couldn't finish it. He couldn't even shoot on target. But then moments later, he then scored that amazing goal, and he showed that he still is a world class player. Also, quite disappointing performance from Fermin. I mean, not disappointing, but still, I personally expected him to at least score a goal, but no problem. He gave an assist, so it's fair. I think the most surprising factor was Vinicius because as a viewer, I am more worried when Mbappe has the ball rather than Vinicius right now. But Vinicius surprised me and scored a wonderful goal. Also, Lewandowski's moment was funny for me because he did not do anything the whole first half. He had two touches, and those were also the first in the first opportunity. His first touch wasn't good. He lost the ball, and the second time he was trying to pass, and then the ball went for a corner. But as the first half was about to end, I just said to my friend कि लेवेंडोस्की ने कुछ किया ही नहीं है फर्स्ट हाफ में यार. ही हैजंट डन एनीथिंग इन द फर्स्ट हाफ. एंड देन बूम सडनली पेदरी passes to him and he scores. He chips कोर्तुआ. लाइक दैट वाज अमेजिंग. उधर मेरा दोस्त मुझे बोल रहा है कि भाई तू मुझे गाली दे मेरी भी पनौती लगा दे. ऑल्सो दैट रैशफर्ड्स चांस व्हेन ही वाज ऑल अलोन, वी थॉट it's over for Madrid. He's gonna score, right? He has the pace. He has the ball. He has no one to press him, and he's just one on one with the keeper. But he couldn't finish it. he just blasted it off target. But yeah, I guess the pressure got to him. He wanted to score as fast as he could before the defense arrives. But yeah, can't blame him. The refereeing was as usual concerning. ऐसी ही रेफरिंग हमने देखी है पहले भी जब भी एल क्लासिको होता है. The referee always seems to be in the favor of Madrid, always, whenever we face them. But it can be said from both sides. It is really questioning though, to be honest, always. And again, the substitutions in this match also, I believe Rafinha should have played more. He should have stayed on the pitch more. But hey, Hansi Flick, we cannot doubt him. We cannot doubt his plans. He knows what he's doing. Also, when Araujo got substituted, me and my friend got really worried कि यार Araujo इस बार कोई गलती ना कर दे. We are 3-2 up, just 5 minutes left. We have to defend properly, just clear the ball whenever needed, do not concede. And Araujo comes in, and we are like, अब ये गलती ना कर दे क्योंकि we cannot let that happen. We cannot let that happen again. What happened against Inter in the semi-final last season. But thankfully nothing happened, and we went on to win the match. Also, Madrid ke goals. The first one was good when Vinicius scored. That was a good goal, as I said. But the second goal was just based on pure luck. The ball first went, hit the pole, came back, and then went again, hit the pole, and then inside the goal. It was purely lucky goal. But okay, I'm not complaining. The only thing that really bothered me, was, as I said, the refereeing was a bit suspicious. Some of the decisions, there were बहुत सारे ऐसे मौके थे जहाँ पे फाउल देने चाहिए थे जो फाउल नहीं दिए. मड्रिड वाले ब्लेटेंट फाउल्स कर रहे थे जो कि नहीं देने चाहिए थे. और बहुत सारे फाउल्स ऐसे थे जो बारसा प्लेयर्स ने किए ही नहीं लेकिन वो फिर भी दे दिए. सो या वी कैन नॉट रियली से मच अबाउट दैट. It's always suspicious, the refereeing in El Clasicos, and the fights, they always happen. Also, the two chances that Madrid had in the first half, the first chance of Vinicius Junior, that he just ran through our defense and just shot. He was trying to shoot to the far post, but he couldn't, thankfully. And the second chance, that was of Fran Garcia. He was also trying to curl it to the far post, but he couldn't, fortunately. Joan Garcia caught both of those chances easily, लेकिन उसके बाद, as we know, Vinicius scored that goal. So yeah, obviously जो एक चांस जिसमें हम सबको लगा कि it's over now, he's gonna equalize, सब कुछ खत्म, is the Carreras chance when the ball came to him. पूरा खाली है, no pressure, no one is pressing him. It's just he has to shoot inside the net. He even told Chouameni to leave the ball. You can see उसने कहा Chouameni को कि छोड़ दे, मैं शॉट लूँगा. एंड उसने आराम से शॉट ले लिया. जॉन गार्सिया ने उसे आराम से पकड़ लिया. तो दैट वाज द चांस दैट वी वर ऑल वरीड कि यार ख़त्म हो गया, इट्स ओवर, ही हैज़ इक्वलाइज्ड. बट नो, ही डिडंट. दैट वाज रियली सरप्राइजिंग. तो क्या इस मैच में हम लकी थे? येस वी वर, लेकिन वी वर ऑल्सो द बेटर टीम. एज वी ऑल नो, मड्रिड it just works on individual brilliance. As we all know, Vinicius, Mbappe, Arda Güler, Rodrigo. सो रियल मैड्रिड एक ऐसी टीम है जिसमें जब प्लेयर्स इंडिविजुअल ब्रिलियंस पे अगर वो चल गए तो चल गए, वरना एज ए टीम दे आर नॉट परफेक्ट, एज वी ऑल नो. बट बारसा एज ए टीम, वी माइट नॉट हैव द perfect players in each position, you can argue, but as a team we are the perfect team. We have the perfect chemistry and we always score goals, a lot of goals. So yeah, coming into the match, was I confident that we were gonna win? Yes, I was confident because of our history and last year's result, as we have not forgotten. That was an amazing match. I still remember. एक साल हो भी गया, पता भी नहीं चला. मैं अगर सही बताऊँ तो 2025 बहुत जल्दी निकला है. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वॉचिंग लास्ट ईयर्स सुपर कोपा डे स्पाना फाइनल like it was yesterday, and today I am here recording a video for this year's match that we won. So yeah, it's crazy. So substitutions में भी Olmo came in and he was good. लेकिन एक चांस आया था जब Olmo could have passed better to Rafinha. He was all Rafinha पूरे मैच में एक तो खाली ही रहता है, बहुत अच्छी जगह पे रहता है, अच्छे अच्छे चांसेस आने की, अच्छे पासेस हो तो अच्छे चांसेस बन सकते हैं, लेकिन अच्छे पासेस नहीं बन रहे थे, ऑलमोस्ट से भी मिस हो रहा था बहुत कुछ। बट या दैट सेकंड गोल ऑफ राफिनिया वाज क्रेजी। बैलेंस भी नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी शूट लिया है, और कॉर्तुआ को भी उसने फेक कर दिया था। कॉर्तुआ ने राइट साइड जंप कर लिया था लेकिन बॉल ऊपर से चली गई। ही ऑल्सो कुडंट डिसाइड कि कहाँ जा रही है बॉल। सो दैट वाज अ गुड गोल। एंड पेद्री का भी क्या ही बोले, ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मिडफील्डर्स इन द वर्ल्ड अलॉन्ग विथ फ्रैंकी। एंड शुरू में हमें दिखा था बेलिंगम, व्हेन बेलिंगम पुश पेद्री, ओके ब्रो, डोंट बी जेलस। अमेजिंग passes into the final third, and that assist to Lewandowski, just too good. Defense इस बार surprisingly अच्छा था, very very less loopholes compared to our previous matches, but still on the right side we were getting blatantly exposed by Vinicius in the later of the first half and in the second half as well. Vinicius making those vicious runs down the right side. Also that Rafinha's free kick, आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल कॉन्फिडेंट। आई न्यू कि जिस तरह पहले तो हमें लगा कि लेवेंडोस्की लेगा वो फ्री किक क्योंकि उसके परफेक्ट एंगल में है। एंड जब हमने देखा कि दे मेड कामाविंगा लाइंग बिहाइंड द वॉल, सो वी न्यू कि राफिनिया नीचे से भी नहीं मार सकता वॉल के। सो व्हेन राफिनिया टुक दैट फ्री किक, ही ट्राई टू चिप। आई वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज पता ही है कि वो नहीं वर्क करेगा, बिकॉज नॉट एवरी वन इज़ मैसी। बट okay, he tried, but what I think he should have done was he should have taken full power shot to the far post where Cordova was already standing. I know still that also has a like 1% chance of actually going into the net, but still I personally think it had a better chance of going into the net compared to what actually did in the game, because a chip from that close to the goal is just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I think he should have power, like he should have shot it with his whole power to the far post. But yeah, it is what it is. We still have to work on our free kicks. But yeah, he did what he had to in the match. दो गोल मार दिए उसने, और क्या चाहिए। एक लेवा ने मार दिया, दो उसने मार दिए। ऑल्सो लमीन यमाल प्लेड एज यूजल। पासिंग भी अच्छी थी, passing was good, dribbling good as always. Couldn't score against Madrid this time, but yeah, you can never write him off. You never know what he has in his bag for you. I was really hoping for a banger goal from Lamine, because I really want to see a beautiful Ankara Messi type goal of Lamine Yamal someday, and I hope we see it soon. And I come back to this video, you come back to this video, and we think about कि yeah, Lamine really scored an Ankara Messi type goal. So yeah, I hope it happens soon in the future. So Barca Super Copa de España champions once again. Last year it was the same. This year is also the same. Last year photos आई थी of Lewandowski, Rafinha and Yamal with the trophy. इस साल भी वही, जैसे ही जीते राफिनिया ने अपना चश्मा पहन लिया, लमीन ने चश्मे पहन लिए अपने, और वी सेलिब्रेटेड, वी लिफ्टेड द ट्रॉफी। एंड या, वेरी गुड गेम, वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। एंड 4 बजने वाले हैं, सो आई थिंक आई शुड गो टू स्लीप। सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठना भी है। तो या, अनदर बार्सिलोना विक्ट्री एंड वी कीप मूविंग and let's hope we continue our winning streak. First trophy of the year for us, and first trophy of the season as well, and many more to come. Hopefully we go on to win as many trophies as possible this season. So yeah, a very good match, totally enjoyed it. Very good performance from both the teams, I should say. And yeah, best team won in the end. So okay, so I should really be going, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.